the social pressure.
Social pressure.
It's a subject pressure.
Absolutely,
You can
sure.
handle the go with calm and each and everything, interview pressure. You have learned such kind of ability.
Yeah.
But the real test is how you are going to handle the social pressure, like your boss pressure, that politics pressure. Each and everything or people will do talk about you,
Uh,
whether you are going to do bad things or good things. People will talk about you.
as like
You know,
you will not
yes,
believe, ma'am, कि when I teach my children, so my children keep on saying, Papa, I got a 7 mark, I got a 9 mark, I got a 6 mark. But I keep on saying, don't need to think about the marks. Mark is a only for number. When I ask something according your subject, so you are understand or not, I want to know. Don't need to don't depend of the marks. Mark is nothing.
you should have knowledge of that subject. If I ask you
Yeah.
from the book chapter, you must tell me. Maybe you are not able to write during the class.
Uh,
You get nervous.
Sure,
It can happen.
sure.
You get less marks. But when if I am talking you, are you aware to give the reply?
So
the prompt reply?
you have got a 100 mark. You have got a 100 mark according to if you are fully pay attention on your class that time you were taught. So you are you fully pay attention on your subject. So don't need to be a rectification. Only for you how to observe, understand what is happening in your life, what is going on in your life. Absolutely,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, business knowledge, as you said, that is very important. But now trying to teach them every day, talk them. If something happened with the friend, they need to taught moral value
Moral.
in a modern way. Modern way. You
Be-
can't tell them, okay, if somebody has slapped you, give your second cheek.
No, no, no.
This is not the time.
Not a correct way. Not a correct way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What we need to do, we need to tell them, okay, be modest whenever it is required. But being always modest would be like people will start thinking that you are forward. So if sometime is required to take action, then do take action. You
Absolutely.
can't do it every time.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can't be humble every time.
All the time. Yeah, absolutely. You are such.
People take the advantage of that people. So if and one thing I have taught my daughter, because this is the biggest lesson, if you don't like something, if you don't like to talk to someone, don't do it. Give your happiness first. But one thing I have just told her, be humble. Like if you don't like someone, it's not required that you read faces, you talk with her or in business.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't look nice. What you need to do is make a distance. Just give your opinion. I don't feel like talking. I don't get that kind of vibration from your side.
Absolutely.
So that's why I'm not talking. It's not like that I have only grudges with you.
Yeah, sure.
So, it's happened. We have shifted in a new apartment. I have taken a new apartment. My daughter started playing with the girls. who are
Girls.
in this apartment. But she didn't feel like it.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, it happened because every kid had their own kind of play of style. So she said, Mama, I don't feel like playing with them. So how can I go with them? Earlier I was thinking, okay, if she would not play, so she would stay at home, she would watch.
you don't
But-
take interest. Yeah.
Yeah. But pressurizing her to do something which she's not liking.
No. No, she will not take interest. If you will pressure of her, so she will not take interest. She will get a pressurized on there. No, no.
And she will get suppressive. She will get suppressive. Next time she will not tell each and everything to me. Mama, okay, Mama is forcing me that go and play with them. And whatever they will do with her, she will not tell me. So
Yeah.
I said, okay, you are sorry, not willing to go. Okay, then
Don't worry. Don't worry.
that time I allow her to watch reels and any creative work which she is looking. So now what I have decided, I have just trying to enroll her in a kind of game or any sport.
Yeah.
So this is actually important. We are living in an apartment. Any physical activity for at least 1 hour is very important to overall growth, not for physical, mental growth. So also required.
Absolutely. So, ma'am, a right question in my mind: do you discuss with your family members, with your children, in the same language all the time?
Yeah, I do have conversation with my daughter sometimes.
Oh.
Unless we need to have conversation, I 9 years only, but now she's 9 years old and she don't feel like having conversation.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. But be a habitual. She would like to follow you, and she will be a good listener and good explainer.
She is very good at it, but she don't feel like. She said, "Mama, every day I used to speak in English in school."
Oh, it is a better because you have already created the environment in your house.
Yeah, in the very beginning, when she was child, I
Oh,
4 years, I had
but
created the environment.
absolutely.
I allowed her
Bec-
in English only, and I used to talk her, and I learned each and everything, spices, everything.
Oh, because
I gave her.
we know if all over the children very curious to know about the new things, and they capture very easily in this age.
Yeah, this is very different because they don't have any kind of fear, society fear.
Absolutely.
They don't have fear. What they are doing, they are adopting very naturally. They are learning it. They are learning from the listening. If she is watching, she is learning some very new thing. And her way of talking are in a different way. She
Oh,
talks in a very different way when she is in her
yeah.
very depend upon
She has become a hesitation free totally. She has no any type of hesitation. As like the same my child. If I will say my child in front of the 50 people, in front of the 100 people, he say something about you, they can express without feel free, feel hesitation, and with a confidence, whatever they know. So it is a just boost their confidence.
But I think concern is that we are somewhere lacking in a day-to-day conversation in the etiquette manner. We can go with the non.
Ma'am, hello.